Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting you. Come on in. Welcome to my apartment. So when you first come in, you have this long hallway and you go to my room. So here's my room. No windows, I'm in the darkness a lot. So when you first come in, you have this, which is just filled with random clothes because I have a thrifting Instagram, which I will link in the description if you want to check it out. And then on this wall, I printed out a bunch of images that I found on Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest that I just liked and kind of went with the theme of my room. They're kind of curling, so ignore that. And then my tapestry, which is from Urban Outfitters, I believe, but my friend McKenna gave it to me because she wasn't using it anymore, which was very nice of her. And then I have my bed. That's from IKEA. I've had it for a long time, all throughout high school. I have my desk area. I just do my homework and stuff here. You can see some of my drawings that I've done, just little sketches. And then I have some stuff hanging up over here just to fill in the blank spaces. This is from a print website that I can't remember what it is, but I'll link it below. And this is from Dormify. And then I have just like my journals and my notebooks and all that stuff for school. This is also from IKEA. Then in this corner I have my mirror and a B for my name, and then this is just stuff that I got in the mail, just packages, stuff like that. And here's my bathroom. It's not very exciting. My sink with all my makeup and everything in here, and then my closet. All of my white sneakers because I have an obsession with white shoes. And most of this is my like winter stuff because it's very cold here right now, but I do have some of my going out tops and such there. And then I just have like storage and a bunch of like hair, makeup, medicine, random stuff down there. So coming out into here, this is my roommate Kat's room. She's working right now, but it's just very like pink, fairy tale-ish. She's very into like, you can see her picture wall, like pinks and purples and just dreamy kind of. Very cozy. She just rearranged her room like last night or something. But I won't go into her bathroom since she's not here. Has her desk right there with all of her stuff on it. But yeah, she's gone, so I won't go into very much detail. And coming in here, we have the kitchen and the main living area. So our kitchen is one of my favorite parts just because it has the exposed shelves instead of cabinets. So we have to always make sure that everything looks pretty and is like set up nicely so it doesn't look messy at all. Coffee, which I don't drink. We have obviously the stove and all of that good stuff. And then all of my roommate Kenzie's wine that she brings back every time she goes home because she may or may not be obsessed with drinking it all the time. Our fridge, which is probably a little messy, but we have 4 people using it, so kind of bound to be a little messy. There's my drawer down there. Hardly ever have food. Have the pantry, which is always very messy as well, just because we have 4 people, so it's hard to keep everything perfect. Then the countertop, which is huge for an apartment, a big sink. It's really nice for when we have people over. There's tons of room. And then up there you can see our little memoir to all the people that come over. They like sign the cans and everything. Big into our living room. I also love this area because of the exposed brick on this wall. I just think it adds a lot to the look of the apartment. It makes it very industrial looking. But this is just where we all hang out. We have big comfy couches, which are literally like you sink into them. They're so comfortable. And then our TV area, this nice fireplace. Why is it working? Oh, there we go. Adds a nice little ambiance to the room. It also has heat coming out of it, so it is functional. And then, of course, we have this big window with a view of campus. I mean, there's a big dorm right there, so it's not the most amazing view, but that way it's all of campus. And yeah, it's really nice because you get a ton of lighting in here throughout the day. You can see what's going on. I'll come into this room, which is my roommate Kenzie's, and she's the bougie one. She has all the fancy shiz, and I'm jealous of it. Her room is set up so cute, and yeah, we all have kind of like a little picture area kind of to represent our like aesthetic, if you want to say. Her bed is just like the best. I took an Instagram picture in front of this, and it's so cute. And then her desk is also so cute. She just has the perfect decorations everywhere, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like I would be very productive in here. And then her bathroom, again, she's bougie. Her her shower curtain kind of represents that. And then I'm also jealous of how all this looks. But yeah, that's her room. It's very nice, very nice. And then the last room is Pammin, and she's in here right now. So,
Hi.
Hello! Can I turn your light on?
Yeah.
Woo! This is Pammin's room. Well, her name's Peyton.
Hi.
She's just relaxing.
I'm a sleeping beauty.
She has all of her nice decor, the sign up there to just welcome everyone in. And then all of her, where'd you get all of this furniture from? Like a kind of like a thrift,
like a pop-up thrift thing.
but it had like furniture and all
Yeah.
that stuff. Yeah. Do you have anything you want to say?
No.
Okay, cool. Have a good rest.
I will. Keep on
See you later.
TikTok, kids. It teaches you good lessons.
But that is it for the apartment. We tried to clean it up the best we could before filming this for you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.